Howdy, how you're doing? You know, it's been a while since I've actually sat down and thought about making something. And there have been plans. I'm working on ideas and things, but I just wanted a little project just to sort of, get my hand back in and get being creative. I've been spent so long in the last couple of months moving all of the House About videos over to the House About channel, which is now up there. If you want to see my House About in London videos, then go check them out. Here on the creative stuff, it's been kind of overrun, life got in the way. Then I watched Terran yesterday on Conjured Craft, and he practically ordered me, if you watch it, I'll try and link up or down below, to the video, saying go make some plants that are nowhere to be found. Trent, miscast, has made a book called Plants Nowhere to Be Found. So today we have supplies and a glue gun and stuff. I'm going to just have a play around and see what we can come up with. See if I can discover some new plants that are not available anywhere or don't grow anywhere or whatever it is. I found a load of random dying plants yesterday, and I think they're the inspiration, start points, start in reality, and then get lost. They don't look like a plant, nothing does. But all of this mess, I started with that. It's not a bad start. I think we need something on the end of that. Ooh. Does that feel there? Oh, it will. Okay, let's try this again. That still had soap on it. It had shampoo in it. Oh, that straw's already got a stick inside it. Still bending. I think this is too heavy. Just make it the other way up. I'm going to give up on that for a minute. I'll try something different. The glue, stop that coming out. That's what you get for buying an Icia glue gun. I want to do a washer plant. The thing is, washers are really heavy. Maybe if I do it like that. And I really want that to be, I guess it's kind of similar to what I've just made. It's heavy. favourite. Just the fruits are popping out. The thing your kid brings home from school, isn't it? Here you go. Oh yeah, it's great. It looked really good in the bin. It looks like a kid's thing. Doesn't know what I say. Okay, we're back from a walk. There was a dog panting behind me. She was an absolute pest. She ignored everything I told her to do. And we are here. We've got some paints. I think this one's going to be left for a while because it's still got gooey bits. I can try this. 2 rules. 1, I absolutely hate the colour green. Didn't already know that. So this is very clearly not going to be a very green centric painting. Back, screaming children. At this point I realised that the camera had once again zoomed in and was on the telephoto lens instead of a wide angle, so everything I was doing was out of shot. This plant that I'm currently painting was also filmed when the camera decided to turn off, so somehow I don't think this plant really liked being on camera, so we're going to call it the camera shy plant. Happy to see you, plant. Happy to see you, plant. It's finished. And once again, I started recording, and of course, the camera had zoomed in, so everything happened off camera. But basically, I'm painting this gold, and there you can see. Okay, last one. Okay, next step. Coffee that I really didn't like. Some coffee just tastes wrong. What colour that? It's really yellow. Instead of using flocking, you have to say at least once in the craft video. You have to say flocking at least once. Say it twice now. Flocking! Subtitles is now saying swearing. One. Trust me, this is not a waste of coffee. You wouldn't smell this. If this was smell-o-vision, you'd be like, what the hell is that? I wonder what happens if you mix hot glue and coffee. Bad coffee. Lumps of coffee. I don't think it's going to work. I think I'm going to get a flower pot. There. This is why you do this on this mat, because then you can sweep it off. The only green you're going to see in this video. Okay, all done. Found pots for everything. Just got one last added little thing. Let's make even more of a mess while we're What are you looking for? Leave the boxes alone. I put some cardboard boxes on the floor, and the dog that thinks she's a cat wants the cardboard boxes. Adding basing glue to coffee grounds makes the coffee swell. So we have the Happy to See You plant, the Wishy-Washy plant, or Wishy-Washer plant. This is the Camera Shy plant with its pods, and I quite like how it ends up drying, almost hanging, almost falling apart on the pods and so forth. And the Pingu Pongu plant. And here we are. 4 random little weird little creatures to add to the collection of random things that fill this flat up. I need a bigger place soon. Anyway, hope you like this. If it was fun and entertaining, then do give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, talk to me. And if you're not already and you like the weird and wonderful collection of creative endeavours that I try to do on this channel, then hit subscribe. Come back each week for something new and different, being creative in London. Until then, bye. I think it's covered in grease. This is all oily. Got oil all over my hands. Oh, this is not going right. This is not doing well. I need a video for tomorrow, and I don't have anything, and this is not working, and the glue won't go in the glue gun. Why not? Surely glue sticks are a standard size, aren't they? Clearly not.